Hello and welcome to Capacity TV. I'm joined by Tom from Virtual1. Thank you for joining us.
Hi Natalie.
So how is Virtual1 innovating in the UK connectivity space?
Well, we spent the last year building out a national network. Before that we were an aggregator, so we've just built network out into 180 towns and cities across the UK with nearly 300 Ethernet nodes, and we've underpinned it all with a software-defined networking platform, and that's the first in its kind in the UK marketplace.
And how has wholesale demand in the region evolved over recent years, and how is Virtual1 meeting those demands?
Well, I think firstly we had to go and build a network to compete with the large operators in the space, and then I think by building the software-defined networking platform to underpin it, that gave us something different to anybody else in the marketplace and allows us to compete with the larger operators. And I think if you look at the demand now from our customers, it's all around the software, so a full suite of API capability so that our network becomes their network is really, really important.
Virtual1 recently launched its Ethernet cellular product. What is the significance of that particular offering to the end user?
Well, this is a product that it can be used for rapid deployment, backup, or as a pre-Ethernet type service. So for example, if there's a connectivity, Ethernet connectivity product going in and it falls into Wayleaf and the customer needs service quickly, we can bring it up with the Cellular Ethernet product. And the benefit of that is we can bring it up like an Ethernet product. So this is not an internet-based product. This is emulating a private Ethernet service back into the network. So customers can use it like an Ethernet circuit, meaning for example, they can put class of service over it. The other benefit is, of course, is rapid deployment. So if somebody needs something quickly for a short amount of time, for example, building sites, we can get that product to them very quickly. And the nice thing is, once they've had it in, you can use it as a backup.
So can you expand on Virtual1's SDN offerings?
Yeah, absolutely. So we built this software-defined networking platform at the same time we built our national network. And the reason we did that is because we couldn't go out to market and say, hey, we've just built a national network and the only benefit is price. Price is of course one thing, but the real benefit is the software-defined networking platform that we've built. We're enabling our customers to turn bandwidth up and down in 40 seconds. So if you want to change it from 30 meg to 100 meg, you can do that on the portal in 40 seconds, or you can do it by the API suite that we have. Now in addition to that, we've got 38 different bolt-ons, and this is really enabling our customers to change the connectivity that they've got with us in terms of things like DHCP or class of service. Gone are the days where you have to email into service desk and it takes 5 days to turn a ticket round. Customers now demand that we do these things very, very quickly, and that's what we're enabling through the SDN platform. And it's not only through the portal, but through the full suite of APIs.
Okay. And what are your strategic priorities for 2018 into 2019? 2018
has really seen us split our sales team into two. So historically we were very reseller focused, so on the channel selling managed services. So that was typically to resellers, systems integrators and VARs. And 2018 has seen us launch a whole new sales team into the service provider and the carrier community. And we see that as a huge growth area for us in the layer 2 space, where people can utilise our network as if it was their own network. And we're seeing particular demand from the international carrier market for that. So in addition to that, we are always working to be at the forefront of the market with regard to the software technology that we've got. You know, I've got an awful lot of people in our organisation now that are developers, and we're constantly evolving the One Portal and the API product set to be at the forefront of the market, really to help our customers win business.
We look forward to seeing what's next for Virtual1 into 2019. Thanks so much for joining us today on Capacity TV.
Thanks, Natalie.